Hello everyone, this is Priya Chetri. Welcome back to my channel. So आज के वीडियो में I'm going to share with you guys how I added my Instagram pictures. First of all, I'm not an expert or a professional in editing the pictures, but what I know it's quite basic and easy and simple to do. So I believe जो मुझे आता है वो सबको आना चाहिए because it definitely gonna change your normal picture to an amazing one. Also, I believe that editing is the most important thing if you want a best picture. It really doesn't matter from which camera or which phone you have taken your picture. If you want to have some definition in your picture, you have to edit it. But yeah, what really matters is the quality of the pictures. It doesn't mean कि आप कोई सा भी picture उठा लो और edit कर लो. It will not make any sense. So yeah, if you also want to change your normal picture to an amazing one, then please watch this video till the end. So before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your fans and family only if you find it helpful. And yeah, let's get started. So basically I use 3 apps to edit my pictures. It depends on my mood or things I want in my pictures, but today I will talk about one application which actually do everything like a all-rounder. So the application I'm talking about is Lightroom. It's available in both iOS and Android, and it's free, and it is actually a professional editing app which is free, and I think that's amazing. So if you never heard about this app or never use this, go and download go and download it now and watch my further video to know how to use that app. So मैं अब Lightroom application open करती हूँ and here you can see all the pictures जो मैंने इस application से edit किए हैं, and there are so many. Now I will click the plus sign over here and choose the pictures which I want to edit. Now this is the picture that I will edit today. Now as you can see the pictures is looking fine, but editing के बाद ये और भी ज़्यादा amazing लगेगी. Now let's go back to the application. So below you can see all the function जो हमें use करना है to edit the picture. Now a small tip before we start editing is that अगर आपको कोई function का knowledge नहीं होगी what that function will actually do to your picture, so आपको क्या करना है, आप उसका volume ज़्यादा कर दो so that you can get the idea that what it will actually do to your picture. Because हम कोई expert नहीं है और हमें कोई idea भी नहीं है, but we really need that idea, so you can use this simple trick. Now first function हम use कर रहे हैं light, and light के अंदर भी अलग function है. First one is exposure. Now I think exposure it adds some brightness and lightness to your picture. So for this picture I'm keeping my exposure at 0. Now next function है contrast. Now जब मैं contrast की value बढ़ाती हूँ, so I can really see a difference in my picture. So I will keep the contrast for this picture at 50. Now next function है highlights, and जब मैं highlights का value बढ़ाती हूँ I really don't see any difference, so I will keep highlights at 0. Then we have shadows, and जब मैं shadows का value बढ़ाती हूँ I see a slightly difference in my picture which I love, so I will keep the shadows at 30. And next function we have whites, and I think whites will gonna enhance the whiteness in the picture, and I don't think मुझे ज़रूरत है whiteness की. Now next function we have blacks, and blacks will cut down the whiteness, so I will increase the black. But as I try to increase the blackness, it really not make any sense. But when I decrease it, it make the sense. So I will do that, and I will keep it at -34. Actually that's the thing, we have to play around with all the function and see what best work for our picture. So the next function we have effects, and in this we have texture and the clarity, and this both function is not working for this particular picture, but this two function looks amazing on other pictures which are not close up. Now the next function we have dehaze, and this is like my favorite. It changed the picture completely. For this picture I'm keeping the dehaze at 1515. Next function we has vignette, and it does this which I don't like, so I will keep it 0. Next function we have grain, which add noise to your picture, so it's up to you how much noise you want in your picture. I really love this effect. Then if you want to increase the size, we can increase that. So the next function we have roughness. If you want to increase the roughness of your picture, you can increase the value. And next function we have detail, and I use this function only when I need to add some sharpness to my picture. एंड हमारे पास अदर फंक्शन भी हैं जो हम इस एप्लीकेशन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट दे आर दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड इस एप्लीकेशन में कुछ फंक्शन ऐसे भी हैं जो फ्री नहीं है, वी हैव टू बाय इट, बट दे आर फ्री इन अदर एप्लीकेशन लाइक स्नैपशीट. Now the next function is color. Now this one will add some colors to your pictures. Now जिन लोगों को like एक Instagram theme follow करनी है where all their pictures have same color coordination, for that this effect is really good. You can increase the temperature to give your picture a yellow tone, or you can increase the tint if you want a pink tone. The next function is Vibrance, and Vibrance actually makes a difference in my picture, so I will keep my Vibrance at 24. Next function is saturation, and for this picture I'm keeping my saturation at 5. So we're done with the editing, and here is the before and after picture.